Okay, so I recently found out about Jersey music, and bitch, this shit is popping. This is... Okay, I need to stop.
You know, what the fuck, going on. These bitches my enemies, not on my level, so they just pretend to be.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. For today's video is going to be a bitch, you got it upside down. An unboxing of my Boxycharm. And girl, y'all already know how the fuck I feel about my Boxycharm. I love it. It is $21 if you guys don't know. It's a monthly subscription. You get 5 full-size products. It's always like fucking, honestly, you get like cover effects, you get what else have I gotten? Cover effects, I've gotten Smashbox, I've gotten Tart, I've gotten some cool shit. So don't sleep on this shit, girl. It is $21, totally worth the fucking money. To see what I got in my Boxycharm for the month of May, then just keep watching. This month's theme is Boxy Babe. This is the first thing you see in your box. It does give you some giveaway information down here as well as their social media. They have some discount codes that they attach to the card now. It used to be individual cards, which I really like that they, you know, are adding them to the card. Like some information on the product as well as the cost of the product, which I really love, because then you can add up everything and see how much your box is worth, which at the end of the video I will go ahead and put that, insert it here, and I can possibly try to get all the links for everything and link it down below just in case you guys didn't get the box but you want to try the products. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump into the first thing that I see in the box, which I was really excited for when they had their I'm going blank, their like sneak peeks, because they do sneak peeks on their Instagram page as well as like their Snapchat, I think. But it's this Cover Effects primer. Oh my god, bitch, I was stoked, because I was like, bitch, you're running out of your Smashbox primer, and I didn't know where else, like I didn't know what other primer I wanted to try. I've tried the Benefit one, I've tried the Smashbox, and I like to change it up, to be honest. I want my skin to get used to the same type of product, same type of texture, everything like that. But this is a Cover Effects primer. It retails for $38. It's a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for a flawless finish. And girl, I'm not gonna lie, this shit is A1. I used it today for my application. I've been using it since I received it, which I think it's been like a week. So I can definitely give you guys an honest opinion. I do love it way more than I do my Smashbox. I feel like my Smashbox is more of a silicone, if that's even a word, base. So, which is typical, to be honest, on a lot of different primers. For me, it's not my favorite, but I'm so glad that Boxy sent me this primer. It is very lightweight, very easy to blend. It does feel silky when you're applying it on. So I'm super excited to have this in my collection and use it on my everyday. I think this is totally worth the money, totally worth you guys purchasing it. And on top of the fact that it just made the box worth it. This is $38, you're paying $21 a month, like, bitch. If you keep sleeping on this, honey, like, fuck, it's gonna be all bad. Just hop on that shit. I literally tried to recruit all of my friends, like, bitch, you need to get this box. Yeah, so the next two things I'm actually gonna put together because they're kind of the same thing in a way, but they are counting as two different products. Are these aesthetic brushes. It is a face brush. They give you like an eyeliner brush, a spoolie, and an angle brush. Really love this one. I used it today to remove my baking, and bitch, it was so soft. I felt like I had a lot of control because the handle is thick. I like thicker handles with my face brushes, not really my eye brushes. I prefer a smaller one. It does have a matte kind of silky finish. I like that the writing is silver, very plain, kind of like a Morphe brush or a MAC brush, but the quality is amazing. I love the brush. This one by itself is the P12 face brush. It's synthetic fibers that allow maximum control. With the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look, which I do believe so. I've used it a couple of times. This will definitely be in my everyday type of, you know, brush set that I use. This retails for $27, and again, it's from the brand Aesthetics. Now they did send over a 3-pack of eye brushes, give you an eyeliner brush, which I don't have one that's super thin like this one is. I'll go ahead and insert a clip because I don't think y'all could really focus on this. But this one is a eyeliner brush, which I tried to use today. Not my favorite, but I'm not used to it, so maybe I just have to get used to it to love it. Spoolie bitch. I wish they would have done this though, like did a double side instead of having 2 individual ones, but that's just me. And this eyeliner brush, or angled eyeliner brush. I feel like it's really thick. I haven't used it, so I can't really give you guys my honest opinion about it. I'm still happy that I got 3, actually like 4 different brushes this month. But this is the Aesthetics 3-piece eye trio, and the Aesthetic Trio series comes with an angle brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tip eyeliner brush. A convenience in 3-in-1. Use various of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the eyebrow brush to fill in and more defined your eye. Thank y'all Boxy for sending a bitch a $45 3-piece brush set. Much love to ya. But I don't think it's worth the $45 to be honest, personally, but I love that they sent it to me. Down to 2 more products, which usually they only give you 5 this month because it's their birthday month. I don't know, hell people have birthdays in May, I don't fucking know, but they gave out 6 instead of 5. But the next thing is, I was really excited about it. I'm not gonna lie, I tried to use it today, but maybe, I don't know, it wasn't working for me, but I will continue to try it out because I wanna fucking like this product. It's so cute to have. This is from the brand Pretty Vulgar. I've gotten a couple of things from them. I've gotten a blush, which was really, really fucking pink. I haven't used it, but I plan on using it as an eyeshadow. Guys, you can always recommend, like, switch your shit up. It does, just because it's lips doesn't mean it has to be lips. Just because today I'm actually wearing blush on my eyes. I have the Fenty, what is it, Kilowatt shit? Yeah, that's what I'm using. Anyways, back to the video. This is from the brand Pretty Vulgar. It retails for $24. It's the ink gel eyeliner, a highly pigmented gel eyeliner. Oh, actually, it has vitamin C, bitch. Hella good for your lids while you're wearing it, and it is very smooth. I love that it looks like a kind of ink pen or ink container. It does have a tin cap, which kind of worries me. I hope that it doesn't dry out my product. It doesn't seem like it's very tight when you're screwing it on. But it doesn't come off, so maybe
The next thing in the box is from the brand Beauty Creations. This is their matte lip gloss. I actually lost the footage, bitches, so I had to do a voiceover, my bad. But I don't know, this actually retails $10. On the website they're $4.99. I have like 6 of these colors in different shades. I love the formula. It definitely dries matte and it stays on your lips forever. So if you're gonna go clubbing, you get a dick appointment, this is definitely the formula you want to wear.
last thing in the box is I was pretty excited for because I only have one of these type of palettes, and a bitch needed to upgrade because I've used that palette for so long in so many of my videos. So I was like, bitch, you need to change your shit up. But like I said, Boxycharm came through for sis, and this month they actually gave a contouring and highlighting palette. Now this is from the brand Pure Cosmetics. It retails for, bitch, $30, Gina. It comes with a mirror, which I love. It's so easy to just throw in your bag, like your makeup bag, in your bag and go, because it does have 2 highlighters. One's more like a gold tone and the other one is more like a bronzy, as well as the contouring shade. One is like a cocoa and one's like a deep brown. It does have a scent to it, but if you don't mind the scent to Too Faced Cocoa contouring color, whatever it's called, the bronze color, I don't know the fucking appropriate one because they don't have a shade that fits me, but it smells like cocoa. Their chocolate collection, this smells like that. Smells really good, but easy to blend. I haven't tried the highlighters, to be honest. I did swatch them. I'll swatch everything in the video, but it looks like it's a really good contouring palette. I've used this brown one damn near every time I've done my makeup since I received the palette. So goes to show you, I kind of was like, fuck you, Lorac, or Lorac if that's how you pronounce it, but that's the brand that I was using before, and I'm kind of like, Pure Cosmetics, come through, honey, and help it. Let's just snatch this face up together, bitch. But totally worth it. I'm gonna show you guys how much everything fucking retails for this month, because honey, I'm pretty sure it's like $140, but you know, I might be just fucking up math in my head.
And then like no mames, 147 or 174. Dyslexic as fuck. But
174 is how much this Boxycharm is worth for the month of May. Like, Gina, come on. I don't even want to spend makeup for the rest of the month. Like, you're paying $21 and you're getting like $100 and something worth of makeup. Gina, get your life. Alright guys, so that's the end of this unboxing video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and you purchased some of these products. But anyways, if you guys like these type of videos, go ahead and give this a big thumbs up so I know and I can create more videos for you guys like this or around the subject like this. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss any future content. Bye!